Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make pumpkin butter. Pumpkin butter is a perfect spread for different types of goodies and also a great addition to foods like waffles and pancakes. So I'm going to pour some pumpkin puree into a pot. In one of my previous videos in October I did make pumpkin puree, so you can check that out. I'm going to be adding all the ingredients one by one into the pot. You can check the description box for the exact measurements. Next up, I'm going to add sugar, honey, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, ground cloves, allspice powder, apple juice. I'm going to mix everything well so that all the ingredients are well combined. Then I'm going to bring it to a boil and stir often so that it doesn't burn. So guys, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm the Juicing Foodie. I make healthy juices and delicious recipes. Please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you are the first to know anytime I upload a new video. And I almost forgot, but we're going to add some nutmeg powder and a pinch of salt. So I start off boiling the pumpkin butter on high heat, and then I gradually reduce the heat and wait for it to caramelize. And gradually the moisture reduces and it becomes thicker. And voila guys, there we have it, a nice yummy pumpkin butter. I'm just going to pour it in my jar and store it in the fridge. It is so yum guys. I love it. It's such a delicious addition, especially for pancakes. So guys, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with pushing the video out there. Also subscribe if you haven't and write a nice comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!